Hello everyone, my name is 𝐸-𝐨𝐧 from grade 7 Karnali, and today I'm going to be explaining about wave. What is wave? A wave is a disturbance that transmits energy but does not transmit matter. Let's look at a demonstration with a slinky. I have attached a ribbon to the slinky which indicates matter. When you shake it, the energy transfers, but then the ribbon is not moving, which indicates that in a wave, energy can transfer, but then matter cannot transfer. There are two types of wave. There are transverse and longitudinal wave. Let's talk about them. First, transverse wave. As you can see here, that the particles are moving perpendicularly to the direction of energy flow. Now let's demonstrate longitudinal wave. With this demonstration, we can say that the particles are moving parallel to the energy flow. This is a diagram of transverse wave. Here we can see crest and 𝐶. Crest is the positive displacement and 𝐶 is the negative displacement. In the diagram we can see they are moving perpendicularly to the direction of energy flow. This is a diagram of longitudinal wave. We can see compression and rarefaction. Compression is when the particles are closer and rarefaction is when the particles are farther apart. As we can see, they are parallel to the direction of energy flow. Remember, wavelength is the distance between two crests or two throws, or the distance between two compressions and two rarefactions. The SI unit of wavelength is meter and its symbol is lambda. An example of transverse wave is light, and an example of longitudinal wave is sound wave. I hope you found my video helpful.